Right, experiment number 2 with this new camera of mine. Slowly working it all out. Thanks to SM Consortium for the advice. That was nice of you, dude. But my girlfriend had already started with the camera, so. But yep, it's really getting there. Oh, try and get everything. Now I'm going to put it on macro, and then I can get up close. That's a lot better. Yeah, now you can see some of the details have got to be finished, you know, lights and registration plates and bumpers, and got to fill all those holes in that I accidentally drilled because I thought I had to, but I didn't. But that's not a problem. There's the interior. How well you can see it. Yeah, it's almost done. It's getting quite frustrating, but I suppose a lot of that's my fault. Now you can't see inside the truck because of the reflection. But yeah, there's seat covers and everything. And I've got to fix that, obviously. But yeah, good test.